Okay, this is actually the physicians, physics and chemistry class. Okay, we will be talking about, physics question this time around. So this particular question falls under current electricity. Okay, let's look at the question very well. Let's look at the question very well. This question falls under current electricity. And the question says, if NEPA charges 65 kobo per kilowatt hour for electricity supplied to consumers, what bill will an electric iron rated at 750 watts attract when used for 25 hours? So like I told you before, as a science student, whenever you have a question like this, the first thing you need to do is for you to interpret your question. So let's look at the interpretation. Look, this is the solution part. Okay, solution. So for you to be able to interpret, let's read the question again together. So if NEPA charges 65 kobo per kilowatt hour, charge in this time, charge is equal to what? Is 65 kobo per kilowatt hour. Do you see it? Then the next thing is for electricity supply to consumers. What bill? Now they are saying bill. Bill now equal to nothing. That's what we are looking for. So will an electric iron rated 750 watts. Now watt is power. So this time around, power equal to 750 watts. You see? Attract when used for 25 hours. And hours is a time. So time is equal to 25 hours. So in this case, the first thing you need to do now from the formula, I love using from the formula. Now, the formula that best fits this is, the first thing before you even think of the formula that best fits this, you have to know that for you to be able to solve your bill, for you to be able to know the bill or calculate the bill, you have to first of all find your work done. The work done by the electric iron, the work done by the electric iron. So the work done now is the formula for finding the work done. Work done. And this work done is in kilowatt hour. So it will the formula is work done is equal to P times T, which is the power times time divided by 1000. You understand? So in this case, what's your power? Your power is 75 times what's your time? Your time is 25 divided by the 100 given. Sorry, the 1000. See, if you use your calculator very well here, you'll discover that the answer will take you or will become 18.75 kilowatts. Remember, you were asked to find in kilowatt hour, or you should find in kilowatt hour. Yeah. So that would be 18.75 kilowatt hour. This is just your work done. So now after finding your work done, now you can now go straight to the point, which is the question. The bill, hence, bill now equal, you can call it bill, you can call it a cost. So bill equal to charge or work done by the electric iron times the charge or the charges. Now in this case, what's your charge or what's your work done? Your work done is 18.75. You see, times your charge, which is what? Your charge is 65 kobo per kilowatt hour. 65 kobo per kilowatt hour. Okay. Okay, you see. So in this case, if you make use of your calculator very well, you will discover that the answer is going to be 1218.75, and the answer is going to be in kobo. How? Because if you focus on work done is in kilowatt hour. Okay, times the charge is in kobo per. So per is like this, kilowatt hour per second. So the whole of this will cancel this and only kobo will be left. You see, now you have, this is the answer. So but you have to convert this kobo to naira. Understand? Because in Nigeria we are no longer using kobo, we are using naira. So now the answer will now be, for you to be able to convert this to naira, you have to divide this answer by 100. If you divide this by 100, it will be 12 naira. Okay, it will be 12 naira, and this is the answer. So this particular time, this answer. So this particular solving is cheap and simple only if you have a good teacher or tutor that handles you very well the way I'm just doing. So the question is solved by physician, okay, the hardest core. Hardest core. Don't mind this name, I love the name. Thank you so much for watching. Let me keep the question very well for you to see. This is a question. So you can feel the question very well. Feel the question very well. Feel it very well. Go through it, feel it very well. This is one of the questions I have in my library under this topic. Okay, you can see the question very well, right? It's cheap and clear, right? Now let's view the answers very well. The answer very well. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, the answer is cheap and simple, clear. You can comment if you have any question to ask. This is the answer. Okay, you can see it. This question is actually for students in secondary school, polytechnic 100 level, universities 100 level, even college of education, and lovers of science courses or science subjects. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time. I value you. Thank you so much. You can show it to your children who are in school who may really need this solving, because one of the issues that students are running away from science courses is because they don't have a very good teacher that can handle them in this course in questions like this. I'm here for you. Follow me up. Thank you.